You know, being in the real estate business almost 4 decades, 3.5 decades, people always ask me, where's a reliable source for real estate information? I've been looking at this chart. I don't know if you see it. I can tell you where it's not reliable. Go to CNN, go to Fox, your favorite news channel, whatever it is. They are making newsworthy quotes that sells advertising that will confuse the best of us. I just listened to Barry Habib, no relation to him, but his information is incredible. And here's a stat he just gave me this weekend. In 2007, we had 4 million homes for sale. Guess what happened in 2008? The market crashed. The highest amount of inventory in history. Guess how many homes we have for sale right now in the United States? 980,000. And of the 980,000 homes for sale, 400,000 are already under contract, which means we have less than 500,000 homes for sale, combined with the time when the most amount of buyers are stepping into the market, the millennial buyers at age 33. We got a supply and demand issue that is going to drive prices up. Hey, listen, check out Barry Habib online. You can find him pretty easily and see some videos out there. And if you want to see the charts that I got to look at, just DM me charts.